Namaste, Ram Ram Ram. Are you a class 10 second language Sanskrit learning student who will be writing board exam in upcoming few months? Then this video is for you. Vyoma Linguistic Lab has brought crash course for second language Sanskrit class 10 students. This course is made by considering the need of every board exam appearing student to prepare themselves at 11th hour. This is a pre-recorded course, so you can attend class according to your convenient time. You will get one worksheet to solve after each class based on that day's content. This course covers 50 out of 80 marks from your board exam. That covers 3 sections from your question paper. That is Anuprayuktam Vyakranam, Apatita Gadyamshaha and Rachanatmakam Karyam. At the end of the course, you will get 50 marks assessment and you will get a chance to meet your teacher in 2 live classes. First will be at the start of the course to brief you about the course content, and second time you can meet your teacher in a live class on the last day of the course to clarify your doubts. It is said that right decisions at right time gives you right results. So make a hurry and enroll for the course. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.